James Kaufman, World News Report today, December 28th, 2024. God bless you and yours, no matter where you are in the world. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, ring that bell for critical future updates. Ladies and gentlemen, we have an aerial vehicle on Flight Trader here that transits all of France in less than 2 minutes at over Mach 14. I'm going to play it for you guys. Over 10,000 miles an hour. It's shaped, well, it looks like a star or maybe a plane flying this way, but it's going to be flying down over France. It looks like it came off the Atlantic. I'm going to show y'all, and y'all let me know what y'all think it is. Remember, traveling over 10,000 miles an hour over Mach 14. The other planes look like they're standing still, moving at 500 and 600 miles an hour. Now, I only wish we had more information as to where it landed. And we have to ask, why are we able to see it on radar here? Now, we're able to see other planes that don't have their transponders or tail numbers on. This gentleman has some trouble finding this. You can see how quickly it moves compared to all the jets that we know are moving at 500 or 600 miles an hour. They look like they're standing still. Transits all of France in less than 2 minutes and then comes out over the Mediterranean. Looks like it heads over one of the French islands. There's a chopper there. It could, in fact, be heading to someplace like, look at that, that can change, Cyprus, i.e. a CIA stronghold, but here it goes into the Mediterranean. Look how fast it's moving. No transponder. Why are we able to see it? It's at 70,000 feet. I wanted to let you know that as well. Most planes are at about 35 to 40,000 feet maximum. It's at 70,000 feet, moving at over Mach 14, over 10,000 miles an hour. It's out over the Mediterranean right now. It's going to fly over a couple of the big French islands, but at that point, well, we lose all sight of it. I don't know if this is some kind of joke that Flight Trader put up, because we are able to see it, which makes so little sense. Although we can always see all the CIA jets that don't have tail numbers or any markings around the Gulf of Mexico and the U.S. as well, as y'all have seen many times on my channel. You can see it fly over these French islands here. There it is right there. And when they zoom in, you can just see the speed of the thing. Next to impossible. And we do lose it soon. It almost slowed down there. We lose it soon. It's right over this island. Imagine the other planes are moving at 500 or 600 miles an hour. That is crazy talk. Now, as it gets out almost over the open Mediterranean, we do lose it here, right in this area here. I don't know what it is. I'd love your opinions on what it is. Is it real? Is it Memorex? Why is it showing up on Flight Trader here? Is it headed to Cyprus, the CIA stronghold where all the servers are located? I'm not quite sure. This is a really strange one. And that's a really high altitude and a really fast speed. God bless. Please share, subscribe, and always remember, anything's possible. Bizarro world.